The first step to press CAD-CUT Metallic heat transfer vinyl onto your garment is to load your item onto the press and get your print area completely flat to ensure there can be an even pressure. Once that's set up, I'm ready to program my time, temperature, and pressure. CAD-CUT Metallic applies at 285 degrees Fahrenheit, and it requires 10 seconds. I'm going to program a preheat of 5 seconds as well, which is important to complete that step on every garment that you press. Next, I'm going to adjust the pressure. It's a medium pressure, so I'll lock my press down to ensure I have a 4, 5, or 6 on my digital pressure display. This pressure display runs on a scale from 0 to 9, so that 4, 5, or 6 is a medium pressure. With that dialed in, I'll complete my preheat of the garment for the 5 seconds. I'll gather my CAD-CUT Metallic design, and then I'll position it onto the garment in place. It does have a slight tack onto the backing that will allow it to hold to the garment, but because it's a cold peel, I really recommend you use a cover sheet with this product because we won't be wanting to peel the backing until it's completely removed from the press. Lock my machine down for the application time. The machine will automatically open when it's finished. Remove my cover sheet, remove my garment with the applied transfer, and let it cool down to room temperature before peeling the backing. Once the design has completely cooled, grab the corner and pull at a 45-degree angle to reveal the completed CAD-CUT Metallic result.